Hello guys, and welcome back to Retron channel on YouTube. So in today's video I'm going to give you a solution, the best one to backup, restore and install an update on your iPhone 6 Plus device. So here I have my iPhone 6 Plus. So this iPhone 6 Plus, I just had it replaced with a new battery yesterday, and when I turn it on, it only pop up the Apple logo and nothing happening. So I decided to plug it in to the iTunes and update it to the latest version, restore and update to the latest version. But the problem that I'm facing is that when I have finished download the latest version of this iPhone, the iOS of this iPhone, it proceed to the installations process, but at the end it giving me a problem that said the iPhone could not restore or update, and the error is on code 3004. So this is very common. I tried to check the internet connection, and the internet connection worked pretty fine, but still could not update. I tried many times. I tried to restore and update the iPhone, and it's still giving me a prompt message of the iPhone cannot be restored and update, and error code 3004. So the only solution that I try is to change the date and time on my computer. So today is April 7, 2022, but I have changed it to February 1st, 2020. So now when I change this and I do the restoring process again, and finally I got the iPhone installed. So it has never been loaded up to this step before. Many times that I have tried, nothing happening like this. And now after changing the date and time, I successfully restored it, and it loading up the Apple logo with the updating progress down there. And also up here, they also giving me a progress up here as well, and said the iPhone is now in the update process. So this is a very best solution to fix the updating backup and restore and update error, especially to the code 3004. So I have tried, I have looking for a lot of information. The update right here, you can see the code 3004, the iTunes error 3004 problem. So once you have found this problem pop up inside your iTunes application, all you have to do, the only best solution is to go into date and time, change it into the previous, back like 1 or 2 year back from nowadays, that the process will be smoothly run and it will be smoothly installed. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll keep you updated with another new process. Bye.